Alright, we're here at Boundary Bay in Tsawwassen. When I got here I realised I had actually been here before shooting something, but it was a long time ago. It's beautiful here, even on a day like today. I'm here with the lovely Denize. It's a bit chilly. It is the middle of October, but we had a big windstorm on Tuesday, and that is gone, but it's supposed to rain tonight. Anyway, I've come up with the drone. We've just run up and down the beach. The good thing about this place is that there's no Wi-Fi interference. I was able to get out to about 700 meters, which doesn't happen very often. And so it is a lovely little spot. There's a dog chasing birds out there. Give yourself a bloody heart attack. Anyway, so we're here. We're going to go to another location. I'm not sure quite where yet. I think another on the other side of the peninsula, and then see what from there. Okay.
Say goodbye.